Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Please subscribe and like. Hello guys, good morning. I made pancakes for my baby. Just small pieces so he can hold it and enjoy it. So this one guys, I cook some salmon bread mix and bacon. Guys, this is what it looks like when it's cooked. This is what I cooked earlier. Let's eat. We're going upstairs. Go, go. Okay, let's go to your playroom. Johnson. Honey, I saw you. Daddy. Okay, let's go. Hi guys, so this is his playroom. It's a little bit messy because earlier we're here and then we play. So later when we go downstairs, I'm gonna clean this one up. Right, Johnson? Psychies. Yay. Okay, you go slide. Yes. I'm actually gonna cut his hair, guys, because it's too long. And it's not even equal to. So I ordered some haircut in Walmart, but they haven't delivered with us yet. Maybe next week. Up, careful. Johnson, you don't wanna go slide? Johnson. This is his bouncy, guys. Here. He loves that one. Okay, play your Mickey Mouse. No, don't eat that one. So guys, he actually likes to slide. Go for it! Yay! Go Johnson! Our pool, guys, has been de-inflated. We didn't inflate yet. So that's why it's like that. He's happy, guys. He's happy when he's here in the playground. In his own playground. Hello? Johnson, you say hi to the lion. He do happy feet. Fly kiss, mommy, bear. He usually follow his dad. He don't really follow me. So this is what we usually do every day, guys, because we're just in the house every day. Just let him play over here all the time so he can learn something too. He enjoy. Chunsan, turn on your table. Guys, Johnson likes to build some Legos and blocks. He loves to do that. And sometimes he do puzzle too. He do sounds. You wanna get more? Huh? Just get some, baby, not everything. Okay, build your blocks over here now. This is his tent, guys. Sometimes we lie down over here and here's the view. See? Now go inside. Yeah. Okay, guys, we're gonna end our video here. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Johnson, say bye. Bye. Bye to your friends. Bye. Fly kiss. Fly kiss. Johnson. Fly kiss. That's the remote control. Huh? Yeah. Okay, let's see him slide first before we go. Go, Johnson! That's the giraffe. Yay! Good job, Johnson. Wow. Good job. Yay! Bye, guys. Fly kiss. Fly kiss, baby. Okay, guys. So we'll see you guys next time. Bye.